Compact circular saws matter for finished carpentry, DIY projects, and worksite versatility, where maneuverability and control are prioritized over full-size power. The 4.5-inch class, in particular, balances portability with enough depth for many framing, cabinetry. List number 1. 4-amp Mini Circular Saw. This inequality compact saw offers a budget-friendly entry into precision cutting, bundling a 4-amp motor with a 4.5-inch blade and features typically found in higher-priced tools, including a laser guide, rip guide, vacuum adapter, and depth and bevel controls. The 3,500 RPM no-load speed is in line with peer compact saws, and the 90-degree depth of 1 11/16 inch supports common 2x stock without a larger tool. The included 24T tungsten carbide blades promise reasonable cutting efficiency for wood, plastics, and MDF, while the aluminum or plastic-bodied design keeps weight manageable at around 6 pounds. Prospective buyers should appreciate the integrated dust collection compatibility and the explicit bevel capability up to 45 degrees. In practical use, the saw supports one-handed operation thanks to its compact profile, but weight distribution and grip ergonomics may produce fatigue over longer sessions. The laser alignment is helpful for setup, yet calibration accuracy relies on stable mounting and consistent battery or power supply. This model is corded, removing battery concerns but requiring a nearby outlet. The vacuum adapter improves cleanliness on dusty woods, though dust collection efficiency with small shavings can vary by vacuum adapter fitment and hose size. The reverse-threaded blade change instruction requires attention, but the included Allen key and rip guide make blade changes straightforward once accustomed. List number 2. Works WX439L 4.5-amp work saw 4.5-inch electric compact circular saw. Works' WX439L positions itself as a highly portable, one-handed friendly compact saw with a 4.5-inch blade and a 45-degree bevel, aimed at quick, precise cuts in framing and sheet goods. The 4,100 RPM speed mirrors larger saws, and the tool's slim form factor facilitates tight spaces. It ships with a 4.5-inch blade and a hex key blade change system, plus a dust port for vacuum connection, helping maintain a cleaner work area. Its 2-inch cutting capacity and ergonomic design make it a strong candidate for overhead or cabinet work where maneuverability matters, while the built-in spindle lock aids rapid blade changes. In practical terms, the work saw excels in one-handed operation and comfortable handling during repetitive cuts, with depth adjustment and a simple depth lever. The plastic housing and compact balance keep weight down, about 4 pounds, but that low weight can translate to a bit more vibration in aggressive cuts. The dust port is functional when paired with a compatible vacuum, improving visibility. Users should note that the tool is corded, so continuous use depends on available outlets or extension cords, and blade quality or replacement cost should be considered as part of ongoing ownership. List number 3. DeWalt Atomic 20V Max Circular Saw. DeWalt's Atomic line emphasizes brushless motors for efficiency and redundancy, alongside compact form factors. The 4.5-inch blade with a brushless motor in the DCS 571B promises extended runtime per charge, faster acceleration, and robust performance with 20V max batteries, not included. The kit features a removable auxiliary handle, onboard blade storage, an onboard dust port, and an electronic blade brake for safety, which makes it a strong option for framers and finish carpenters who already own DeWalt power systems. The 1.5-inch trigger reach and 2x material bevel capability at 90 degrees are additional ergonomic enhancements for precision work, while the 45-degree bevel capacity supports trim and rafter cuts. In use, the DCS 571B benefits from its brushless motor and electronic brake, delivering smoother cuts with less maintenance and faster blade stops for safer operations. The ability to choke up on the tool with a 1.5-inch trigger reach can improve control in tight spaces. The dust port integration helps keep lines of sight clear, though the tool's performance is highly dependent on battery condition and the battery platform chosen. DCB205 is specified as compatible, sold separately. As a bare tool option, it's ideal for builders already invested in DeWalt's 20V Max ecosystem and seeking a compact, precise saw for light to moderate tasks. List number 4.
Genesis Mini Circular Saw 4.0 amp, 4 and 4.5 inch with 24T carbide tipped blade. Genesis GCS 445 SE delivers a feature-rich compact saw at a mid-range price, including a 4.0 amp motor, 3/8 inch arbor, and a 4.5 inch blade with a 24T carbide tipped configuration. The included parallel/rip guide and vacuum adapter echo user expectations for stable, straight cuts and a cleaner workspace. Its 3,500 RPM rating aligns with other 4.5 inch tools, and the 2-year Genesis warranty adds reassurance for budget-conscious buyers seeking a reliable tool for home use and light professional tasks. The barrel grip and soft rubber handle are designed to improve one-handed operation and reduce fatigue during extended sessions. In use, the Genesis saw performs well for cabinetry, trim, and light framing, offering straightforward depth and bevel adjustments for 90-degree and 45-degree cuts. The tool's weight, around 5 pounds, makes it comfortable for extended cutting, though the build may feel lighter compared to premium brands under rigorous commercial use. The included components are solid for the price point, but consumers should verify blade quality over time and keep in mind that Prop 65 warnings require attention for indoor use. Overall, Genesis provides solid value with practical inclusions and a reputable 2-year warranty.
List number 5. Mini Circular Saw. The Aliexpress Mini Circular Saw targets budget-conscious buyers seeking a compact, versatile tool with two 24T blades and common accessories like a rip guide and a laser guide. The 4-amp 3,500 RPM motor provides competitive performance for laminate, plywood, and softwood cutting. The dual-blade setup expands cutting time between blade changes, and the 3/8 inch arbor aligns with standard 4.5 inch blades in the market. An overall lightweight design, about 5.5 pounds, and ergonomic handle contribute to comfortable use in tight spaces, while the included vacuum adapter helps keep dust under control during longer sessions. In practice, the laser guide aids alignment for straight cuts, but accuracy can vary with mounting stability and surface reflections. The depth at 90 degrees reaches 1 11/16 inch, or 42.8 millimeters, suitable for many common tasks, while 45-degree depth is 1 1/8 inch, or 28 millimeters, limiting aggressive bevel work on thicker stock. The tool's value proposition hinges on the balance between cost and performance. For occasional homeowners and hobbyists, it offers a compelling package with the added convenience of 2 blades and a straightforward setup, though expect lower durability and fewer premium features than higher-priced brands.